Guys, welcome to the practical series on what is described as Thai-style composting. So in Thailand or Asia, they don't do composting as we saw on the Berkeley 18-day, more of this flip style. They do more like in-bed composting. So in the bed, and then they'll see like if any seedlings come up, they turn it. So that's what we're gonna look at. So we have this bed that's got older turmeric. So the turmeric can be harvested. So we're gonna get on that, make sure we get out all the turmeric, and then we're gonna cut in basically Thai style with rice husk and manure compost mix. Show you how they would do that to create the new growing bed. It'll take about a week to stabilize because we're going to add compost tea to it tomorrow. In Thailand, they don't normally use compost tea. They just pour pure sugar water onto the bed. But since we can't make compost tea, we'll do compost tea. Yep. Yeah, there we go. So this would be kind of like my base, holds moisture, everything. I'd put my compost, cut it in. I might put biochar, a couple sacks, cut that in. Compost, cut it in. Put all my teas, which are going to be my mineralization, inoculating it. I get all that together, easy bed. And then if every day, or like let's say I only made one bed a day. Every day I come home after work, I make a bed. How long does it take to make your garden? That's kind of how it is. First step, where do you get the resource? If you can locate the resources at an affordable price, then you can every day or every weekend. I make 2 beds a weekend. Couple months I've finished. Yeah.
Just slowly, but surely.
We have a big garden, but sure, we didn't build it in one day. So we made a plan, a layout where we could put beds, the right spacing, and then we started to make beds. No, this is what we do. We harvest it, and this will be the new food source and for the next food or next plants. Because this is all food, so it's going to go down. It's going to compact and also turn into the nutrients that we took out the food, right?
So after when you make a new bed, you put that again?
Yeah, typically we may not do the Thai style. We might just put compost because we also make compost, but we can do either one. So some of the beds you'll see like over there, that's like Thai style inside the mandalas, but that one's just compost. We put 3 bags of rice husk, 6 bags of manure, so maybe about $3 US in Thailand worth of stuff, or maybe $15 worth of stuff in the West. Okay, and so for $15, I then can grow all my food for like a pretty decent growing period, 3 months. And what is your food worth? So that's where you get in this, my vegetables are worth more than the input. Okay, well that's it guys, super simple. Permanomics. Permanomics, yeah. Remember, you also need water, so where's your watering point and where do you get water? So do you harvest it? If you're getting it from the city and you're having to pay to water, it's not really economical, so you need to kind of try to harvest your own rain. And or if you're a little bigger scale, ponds and swales are very good investment.